Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. This video, guys, if you have problems connecting your phone to your Chevy Cruze, guys, we will explain how to fix that problem and what fuse, guys, you need to check. If you lost your Bluetooth communication or your own start setting, guys, stay with us, we will explain that now. We have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, like, subscribe to the channel, and please leave a comment, guys, with your recommendations under the video. So let me get in the car now and show you what I'm talking about. This is a 2015 model, but it should be the same, guys, for the whole generation. Okay, from 2008 all the way to 2016. So let's go inside now. I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition on. Okay, so you can see radio is turning on. Right, everything is good. I'll click configuration here. I'll scroll down to phone settings, click set, not available. Okay, what is causing now that, guys? We're going to turn the ignition off, and now you have, guys, one fuse box that is located next to the steering wheel. Okay, right here, that's where the fuse box is, guys, on the left side here. And this is the lid that we'll need to remove, guys. Okay, this lid right here. So how you do that? Grab it, pull it down. Now the fuse, guys, that we're looking at is fuse number 1, guys. Okay, fuse number 1, it's this fuse right here. It's a 10 amp fuse. So I'll take the pliers, pull that one out. Okay, that definitely, guys, looks like a burned fuse. And you can see all the fuses, guys, that we use and the replacement parts are listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. That fuse box, it's unbelievable price, guys, a really good price for the whole kit. I'll just get one of the fuses, okay, and I will push it in now. Push it in and we'll see if that will take care of the problem now. So let me see. Okay, fuse number 1, remember. Now let me go ahead, start, okay, turn ignition on. You don't even need to start your car. Now, if we go back to the screen, okay, configuration now, we select down to phone settings, click set, and now, guys, okay, let me turn the light off, it says Bluetooth. So, guys, that definitely fixed the problem, you can see like that. So hopefully the video, guys, will be helpful to some of you trying to fix that problem. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.